Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Motorola Moto G73. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store. Here find the Google Classroom. Select it and download it. When it's ready, click on the Open, allow the notifications, select Get Started and pick the account. Then you can tap on the plus button, join the class, enter the class code right here, and then you should be able to click on the Join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.